In this lesson, I want to talk about snapping in Camtasia. This is a template from the TextMeet Camtasia that in one lesson, I will show you how you make such these things. Okay, you can see we have a lots of things here in the groups. We have you can see the playhead is snapping everything. If you insert something here, for example, you can see we have a lots of snap there. So this is snapping in Camtasia. Where you can control that? First, you can see we have a ruler here. If you go into the view, you can hide canvas ruler if you need. From the view menu, you're going to the show canvas ruler. It's the guide and it's another snapping feature. You can simply drag and drop from the vertical or horizontal ruler. You can create something like this. You can move them anywhere, and after that you can simply drag and drop your object and snapping to them and align your scene. That's nice. For deleting them, you can release them in their place and it's done. So it's a simple ruler that you can control it. If you insert something in canvas, you can see the canvas. Let's turn off the ruler. You can see that we have a snap to the canvas border. This is here. You can control it. Enable canvas snapping. If you disable that, you can see you can not snapping. So it's useful and sometimes annoying in sometimes. You can turn it on or off. Enable playhead snapping. You can see if it enable, it's snapping to the end, to the everything in a scene. You can see snap to the this, snap to the this. If you go to the this group, snap to the for example edge of that. Sometimes it's annoying because we have a lot of things in the scene. Snap to these points, snap to everything. You can see if you annoying you can turn it off. You can see now it's smoothly run and it does not snap to anything. In some cases we need, in some cases we don't need. By default it's turned off. If you need, you can turn it on, but I like it. Timeline snapping. Snap media edge. These are media edge. Edge are snapping together. It's very important. They are snapping to playhead. It's very simple. You can see if you go in here, look at it's snapping to playhead. If you move the media are snapping together also like this. You can see that red line means, that yellow line means it's snapping. It's a snap to edge of something everywhere. In a view, timeline, animations, these are animations. You learn it, it's a snap to them. If you insert a media, the media will be a snap at these lines. Animation, keyframes, marker, quiz, these are here. You can add, add track. Here, it's a marker. You can go to the marker and this part. Where was that? Here, you can go to the timeline and add marker. And for turn it off, you have to close it. Now we have a marker here. You can see it's a snap also to the marker, and also media are snapping to mark. You can see if you need, you can do that. And quiz I will show you later. So in a view, we have a snapping. If you don't want to snap to marker or quizzes, you can turn them off. Okay, this is a snapping to Camtasia. That is very important because it simplifies our workflow.